Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for this month's episode. I'm Jerry McCarr, and this month I'm bringing you 3 pieces of oneAPI dev news. First up, I'd like to invite you to watch the Optimized Machine Learning Deep Learning with oneDNN video. Watching this video, you'll discover the Intel oneAPI Deep Neural Network, or oneDNN, designed to optimize deep learning applications on CPUs and GPUs. This video explores real-world use cases, performance benefits, and the comprehensive API that simplifies development. Learn how oneDNN accelerates AI ML libraries and frameworks like TensorFlow, enhancing machine learning model performance. The video also details how the oneDNN API supports graph-based deep neural networks and integrates with SYCL, OpenCL, and Threadpool frameworks for efficient deep learning application development. Watch the video and check out the resource links in its description to learn more. Next up, read the Intel Accelerates Meta Llama 3 with AI Solutions article that details how Intel's latest advancements supports Meta's new Llama 3 models featuring 8B and 70B parameters. These models showcase enhanced performance and capabilities optimized for Intel's AI portfolio, including Gaudi AI accelerators and Xeon processors. The collaboration enables high-performance local and cloud-based AI applications, leveraging Intel's hardware and software. Initial benchmarks demonstrate significant improvements in inference and fine-tuning, making AI solutions more efficient and accessible for developers. Take a look at the article to learn more. Moving on, check out the latest release of Intel oneAPI Base Toolkit. The Intel oneAPI Base Toolkit provides essential tools and libraries for developing high-performance data-centric applications across CPUs, GPUs, and FPGAs. It includes a C++ compiler with SYCL support, domain-specific libraries, and Python distribution for accelerated computing. The toolkit features advanced profiling and debugging tools and supports easy migration from CUDA to SYCL. It is designed for heterogeneous development, maximizing performance across various Intel architectures, including CPUs like Intel Xeon and Core processors, offering robust performance for diverse workloads, GPUs, including Intel Iris Xe and Xe Max, which are designed for high-performance graphics and compute tasks, and FPGAs like Intel Agile-X and Stratix series, providing customizable hardware acceleration for specialized applications. For a deeper dive into the newest version of the Intel oneAPI Base Toolkit, visit the webpage linked in the description. Before we go, don't forget to join us this September at Intel Innovation. We invite all you developers and technologists to join your peers, industry luminaries, startup entrepreneurs, and technologists across Intel and the global technology community to solve the world's toughest challenges in AI and beyond together. Learn and get hands-on experience with the latest software and hardware development technologies, explore Intel and partner products and services, and network and collaborate across multiple developer communities to exchange unique ideas and perspectives. Don't just code the future, define it. Secure your spot at Intel Innovation September 24th and 25th in San Jose, California by being one of the first 100 to receive a free pass. Limited developer passes are available. You can register by following the link in the description, and if you can't wait until September, check out Intel's Developer Zone at developer.intel.com. It's your official source for developing on Intel's hardware and software and exploring Intel's most popular development areas and resources. That's all for this month. Thank you for joining me once again, and remember to like and share this video and subscribe to the Intel Software YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with all your oneAPI dev news. I'll see you in July.